Alright guys, welcome to the aspect of this tutorial. In our today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to get a letterheaded paper done using CorelDRAW. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. The letterhead we are going to design is going to be like what you are seeing on the screen. So let's get started. We need to bring the logo that we want to use, or we design the logo as a case may be. So we are bringing the logo. This is the logo we are going to use. In this aspect, we are going to clean this product vectors. The spelling is not correct. Now this one here, Armenia, is okay. We are going to leave it. So we are going to correct this logo. And the logo design, how you can do this logo design will be explained in another part of the tutorial, which we are going to work. But for now, we are going to work on the letterhead first. Logo designs is a separate aspect which we are going to look at. Now we have this one here like this, so we are going to complete the name Aluminium Products Ventures. Now let me have to set, I'll have to set the fonts. This is take it down. I'll have to set I have to set the font to this one. Okay. Now if this is not that good or the way you want, you can change the font to anyone, but I don't want something too good like this. Let's go for the previous one. Okay, we can also go for this. Now let's reduce it a bit. We are going to give it this blue color, which we are going to double click on the fill color here. When we enter the fill aspect, we can drag it to this side, use the pen and pick this color. We want it is the same solid fill as this. So we are going to wrap it. Before we wrap it, let's save it first. So before we wrap it, we must have to draw a shape that will be in the best of the place we want to wrap it. You don't just take it straight and start wrapping it here. So we have to draw a shape that will be like what we have here, in the first of what we have here. Let's illustrate it. Let's illustrate it here. Are you following? Now we'll take the shape up a bit, rearrange it well. Then now we are going to click on this, go to text. We have fit text to part. When you move to this place, and you click, then you have to click on this where you are power clipping, or you are fitting to page. These two for your property bar, these two tools will show, which are going to click on mirror. You can either click this one first before you click here, or since you have clicked here, we have to click this one back and it will be arranged well. All you just need to do, sometimes when it is arranged well, when the text does well, it will move up just like this one. You just need to zoom it and drag it down the way you want it to be, like what I am doing. I have to drag it down. Then when you are through, all you just need to do is to right click on this cycle with power clip it to, or select the text and go to objects. We have break text apart, or shortcut Ctrl key. Now the text have been break apart from the shape. Now you delete the shape. Now the text, now you can join it with the. Alright, if you have been watching our video If this is your first time on watching our video, you just come across our video for the first time and you have not subscribed, if you got value for any of our video or the video you are currently watching now, please subscribe. That is the only way you can encourage us to put more effort and have more content which we believe you will benefit better. So please subscribe, it is free. You don't need to pay money, just hit the subscription button. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever we have any content, you will be notified. And as you do, God bless you. I will love you. Logo. I will follow you. I join it with the logo. Then we have the logo in that regard. The logo is there now. We have correct the typographical error in that aspect. So besides the logo, you put it in any aspect you want to put it. Now we have to type the name of the business. The name of the business is. Now we are going to type the name of the business, which is no products. Sorry. Ventures. Now this Aluminium is correct, that's the correct spelling. So we are going to select the type of font we are going to use. I prefer this font. This case. Let's use this font first. Now in this aspect, I'm going to increase this font. Then I'm going to give it a blue color. I will also right click on blue color for outline. I will right click on blue, the same blue color and say set outline color. Now I will double click this outline here. When it takes me to, I can change the color if I wish, but I like this color, so it should be there. I'm setting the outline to 8. That will say behind and scale with free. I say okay. I will bring it down, duplicate it. When I duplicate, I'll go back to this outline. I'm going to reduce it to 4 and say okay. I will now take it back on top of this. Then I will now double click the outline again and say let's look for the color. Let me just use the pen. I just want a white color, so I'll pick a white color. We have something of this nature. Of course, I believe you have come across effect like this, something of this nature. It's not as simple as this. There are two things. First one, you write the name, you increase the outline aspect of the first one, maybe 6, maybe 7, then you duplicate the same size like that, but you reduce the outline and use another outline color. Then you have your effects in this regard. So you can also go ahead to double click this. Let's say this white outline, we can double click it and make it 3, then add an effect to it. We can make it 3, then we can reduce and add a shadow effect to only this one at the top. Add a shadow effect, only this one at the top. In this shadow effect that we are adding to only this one, we are going to say normal. With this same. Okay. This is the opacity of the shadow. Let me increase the opacity of the shadow. See how it looks on it. So we can have something of this nature, or we can reduce the opacity, let it not be too dark or blur in that side, then the stretch is okay the way we do it. Now we have that one in that aspect. The next one now is the other write-up. Let's stop there for now in that aspect. Well, let's go to the other one. We are going to do the writing, which you will say professional. So sorry, let me reduce the size first so that you have to type more on the on screen and to take us somewhere. We have professional in all kinds of my F from my keyboard is having issue because of that water. So let me just collect the F so that anywhere I have F, I will just have to paste with all kinds of high quality, aluminum windows. Construction slash facing of laws and office partitions and put that up. PVC installation. Right now, I have the write-up in this regard. I'm now going to change the fonts, type of fonts. I want to use a calligraphy font, but not that too calligraphic. I'm looking for a special font type to use, not this type, it's too good and too scripted. I just want to use a straight text. Let's go with this, let's see. I'm going to centralize it by clicking Ctrl E for our keyboard. And let's zoom it out. In this regard, we are going to draw it closer like this. Take this now to this side. Take this now to this side. Of course, this is going to be red color. And we are going to give it an outline, just a bit outline. 0.5 is too much for me. We can say 0.43. I can give it that color. Follow to make it more bolder. I think this is still too big. Let's reduce the outline in that aspect. Let's say 0.3. Okay, this aspect now, in the place of the address, we are going to say office address. are going to set the font. I'm going to make it 16. Then we are going to use a bolder font in that aspect. The office address is going to be capital in nature. So we need to go to text and say change case command. Why we highlight or we say uppercase, say OK. We'll give it a red color. Then we'll type the address shop 79. Shop 79. Let's set the size 14. Hold on. Now we are putting a now. I'm correcting something. So modify shopping complex sharp corner we have the address like this. We don't want the address to be too stylish, so we are going to use this way. I'm going to use this color, the color we're using that for up there, so we are going to pick from it, see if actually that is the color we have. Okay. In the aspect of this motto, we are putting the motto straight up here, not in that aspect. We have the motto. Your satisfaction is our priority. Which I'm using this in the font 14. This aspect. Come on, let me test this on this place first. Let me see how it looks. Don't want red to be too much every aspect. So let me make this red. And this your satisfaction is our priority. We need the font there. I'm going to check. All this. Not this. Not this. Not something not too stylish. shape. Convert. Let me close the third one. No, this is too scanty. Edward is too. Okay. Let's see farewell. Satisfaction. This is too much. Let's check Edward and see. Maybe Edward is better off. We'll have to replace it. So that's something like this. More like in that aspect. Going to the two coloring. So we have something to put. We have the RN. The RN is going to be up, not down. It's supposed to be first. So we'll find a place to put it here. 7080 067 7083 So we are just going to use Frank. We are using Frank for it. Frank. Let's see this. See this. This is dummy. Yeah, reducing the font size. And all is going to be red. This is where it is supposed to be. And we are going to shape this down a bit, just small. Yeah. Then in the aspect of the phone number, let's reduce this address. Let's reduce it to just 1 2 line, not 3 line. This is very sharp. Corner. So, we are going to pull the phone number. In this case, we are going to use under this text here, which we are going to click on cliff. This cliff, we are going to type Winty. Sorry. I'm going to type WING. Click enter. We are going to use a full icon from here. Let's leave this first. Let's check for another type. If you can see other type. Okay, let's check the second place first before we come back. We can find the one we want to use. We are supposed to have with the 1, 2. All these are arrow. This version only have the normal width first. Okay, let me check this other width. Let's see. check this one. Have anything going up? You see the same thing. So let me just pick only this one by double clicking it. We have draw it. So we are going to do something like that. I'm going to make it completely red. This is small a bit. Then I'm going to type the phone number. Pick our text tool and type. We are not using all this solid color of using shape. We use shape now. The whole color, if it's not printed with a good quality printer, it will not bring the quality of how the work is. So we use color at the same time. Anyhow it is being print, it will always bring quality. So we are going to make this thing 14. You are idiots there. So let me click on F11. Go back there. Let's use this. That's in the shade. Let's work on a way we can make it straight. Instead of using an icon where we have the space that will contain, I believe we don't use this other icon there, but we actually have a space to use, so we are not going to use center. Rather we put it on one single row because we have a very straight line to use. I don't want it to contain more distance, so we are going to use a straight line and use the instead of this other aspect. So what we are going to do now, we are going to do, instead of drawing a single line, not drawing a single line, I'm going to draw one. I'm going to form a shape by using pen tool. I'm going to form a shape of this nature. I'm going to make it straight. Flat. I'm going to join it this way, then I'll move it down a bit. Now I'm going to give it, before I give it this color, I'll have to rearrange the line. want this one to be the same dimension. Let them be the same like this, and this one let them be the same, and it's okay already. Let's go here. So this one also want them to be on the same space, so we are going to take this one straight here. To measure it, can you see that? That's how we measure it. Click on it. It's now straight. So let's see. Okay. Let's see in this aspect also. I believe this is good. So we are going to color this color, remove an outline from it. Then we are going to add a single color that will demarcate and make whatever we are going to do in this place. Here is fatter than the other, this other side. We don't want this thing to be that big, so we have to work on this place. We will have to work on this. So we are shifting this one. So let's see whether italics, this one now becomes too small now. Let us stick with this. Now we are going to draw another line again. This other line we are going to draw is going to be inside, because the whole of this design is based on blue and white. So we are going to, let me zoom it, put it on this aspect first. This is how we are going to use it to draw. So we are going to click outside so that it will not affect our design. I will follow you. So this one is going to be a single line. This is the line. We are going to bring it up first. In the outline color, I'm going to select maybe 2 is too much. Select 1.5. Then we are going to give this color. Let's make it black color first, or red, something that we can see first. When we take it to wherever we want to take it, then we can change the color. Now work lights. I'm going to do a work from here. Select this two, it here first. Move to this side. You have to move this to this place first. Then we'll come to this side. Move here. You don't just want to So we are now going to go to this outline because of this thing that is round at the edge. This round aspect that is here, we don't want the edge to be this round. We want it to be flat. So we are going to go double click and go to the outline aspect, bring this cap out, then we click OK. You will understand. Even the other side will not be round again. So we'll take it to the end, move this one also, see how this one look like. Now we are now going to give it the outline color of white, which you are going to double click here and drag to the edge, give it one color. We are not only giving it white color. If we wish, we can. If we wish, if the white color is just okay the way we want, like this. If the white color is okay the way we want, like this, we can say let's leave it like this. Are you following? If the white color is not okay the way we want to do it, we can also add a shadow color to the line. The distance we are reducing it, and the opacity we are increasing it a bit. Then let's zoom it and see. It's like the shadow is not well balanced in that aspect. Let's just zoom very big and see. So we can select the shadow and see it. Let's reduce the square, the feathering. It affects the downside instead of the line. Let's undo, let's see. Okay. Now I want to actually do this thing. So let's leave it in this way since it's affecting the color. We can also add one single more color if we wish. If we wish, we can add a single color, which we can color this one since we have red color in that aspect. But putting red color and sizing it here will make the thing too colory, like there will be too much color. So we are not putting the red. We are only going to be on blue and white. Then the downside now. Aside from the downside, first we are going to bring this logo to the center also, which we are going to make it very big. We're going to resize it like this. Take it to click P and take it to the center, which we are going to convert to bitmap. Have to convert it to bitmap, and we are adding. Suspend the class now. So what is the issue?
Nothing, no, just want to say something.
Suspend the class now. So now we are going to add transparency. Let your student hold on first. Suspend. We click on transparency. We can increase it to 70 and see how I remove the 0 instead of 70 is 7. Let's see 18. Leave 81 to